The Kenya Investment Authority has kicked off public consultations on the development of the Kenya investment policy, which aims to have Kenya get a bigger slice of the estimated $1.5 trillion in foreign direct investment flows worldwide. Officials from the Kenya Investment Authority have held meetings with the public and private sectors, the Investment Committee of the Council of Governors, as well as some members of Parliament, seeking to have the document receive broad support. The Kenya Investment Policy aims to guide attraction, facilitation, retention, monitoring and evaluation of private investment. The policy aims to address the low performance of Kenya's FDI, which stands at $13.8 per capita compared to an East African average of $24.4 per capita. Besides using Malaysia and Singapore's benchmarking nations for their renowned transformation in development, the policy also borrows from Nicaragua's success in promoting and facilitating foreign direct investment.